Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for EveryDollar budgeting. EveryDollar is a free budgeting app that helps you track your income and expenses and create a personalized budget. To get started with EveryDollar budgeting, first, you need to set up your account and link your bank accounts to the app. This will allow you to see all your transactions in one place and make it easier to track your spending. Once you have set up your account, the next step is to create a budget. Start by setting a total income amount and then categorize your expenses into needs, wants, and debt repayment. Needs include essential expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries, while wants include discretionary spending such as dining out and entertainment. Debt repayment includes any debts you are trying to pay off, such as credit cards or loans. When creating your budget, it is essential to prioritize your needs over your wants. Make sure to allocate enough funds for essential expenses before allocating funds for discretionary spending. It is also crucial to include a category for savings and emergency funds in your budget. Aim to save at least 10 to 20% of your income for long-term goals and unexpected expenses. Another best practice for EveryDollar budgeting is to regularly review and adjust your budget. As your income and expenses change, your budget should also change. Take time each month to review your budget and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track with your financial goals and ensure that you are making the most of your money. In addition to regularly reviewing your budget, it is also essential to track your expenses. EveryDollar allows you to link your bank accounts and track your transactions, but you can also manually enter expenses to ensure accuracy. Tracking your expenses will help you identify areas where you can cut back and make adjustments to your budget. To get the most out of EveryDollar budgeting, it is also essential to avoid common budgeting mistakes. One common mistake is not accounting for irregular expenses, such as car maintenance or property taxes. Make sure to include a category for irregular expenses in your budget and allocate funds accordingly. Another common mistake is not prioritizing needs over wants. Remember to prioritize essential expenses over discretionary spending to ensure that you have enough funds for necessary expenses. By following these best practices for EveryDollar budgeting, you can create a personalized budget that helps you achieve your financial goals. Remember to regularly review and adjust your budget, track your expenses, and avoid common budgeting mistakes. With EveryDollar, you can take control of your finances and make the most of your money.